Hi, my name is Cynthia, and I am one of the people that's doing videos for the 12 days of December for some different type of things for gifts for Christmas or the holidays. So I put together a kit called Pamper Me Kit, and this is actually one that I personally use, but I thought it would be fun for people to have this to be able to use for the holidays. So the first thing I do is absolutely love the doTERRA body wash. It has a grapefruit smell and it's wonderful. And then I use this, as obviously you can see with my hair, it's crazy. I use the Healthy Glaze Hold Glaze when I have my hair curly. This stuff is wonderful. And again, it smells wonderful, but it's good on your hair. I can get a comb through my hair. The other thing I love, and this is amazing, especially if you're not quite awake in the morning, you put this on before you style your hair and it smells amazing. The mint smell is just wonderful. And this is the root to tip serum and it's great. Um, and then also I use the Immortelle on my skin. I love this stuff. The smell is amazing. I use it before I go to bed at night. And then in the morning, before I go to work, I use Balance. I put it on my feet and I love it. This stuff is amazing. It smells wonderful, but it helps keep me calm and relaxed during the day. Two other things that if you want to add to the kit, one, this cheer, I love it. It just has a citrusy smell and it smells amazing. You put it on your temple points and on back and on your wrist. It just has a wonderful smell. Or the new one I just discovered, Whisper, and it's a perfume type blend, but every time I put it on, it has a different smell and it's wonderful. So, what I was going to do is put in a big poof, have a little cute little basket, and was just going to kind of set all this stuff into the basket as a gift set that you could put together for a friend or somebody, a coworker or something, but just to kind of put together a little gift basket with the poof. And I've got a small basket here, but as a nice little gift, you could wrap it up and give it away, or put some different scents in it, but just something to pamper. That's my routine in the morning, and it really keeps me focused and going and have a great day. So anyway, that was my presentation for that, and I hope you try it because those products are absolutely amazing.